Hi guys, my name is Laveni Senderin. Now I will show you how to make seaweed spring roll snacks. The first, we need to prepare the ingredients and the materials. The ingredients are spring roll wrapper, seaweed, cooking oil, water, and the seasoning. The materials are brush, knife, cutting board, sieve or sifter, container, spoon, stove, wok, and spatula. So now let's make it. The first, we need to prepare the spring roll wrapper and brush the water on it. Second, put seaweed on top of it. Third, roll it until secure well. Then, cut it diagonally. The next, heat the cooking oil and then fry the spring roll in wok. Remember to stir it with spatula gently. Now, if the spring roll color is changed, you can take it out with sifter. And then, wet excess oil out. When it's not too oily, pour it into the container or plate. Then, I do it for more and more times for large portions. Now, pour the spring roll snack to some container and pour the seasoning too. I use the roasted beef flavor seasoning. You all can use other flavors according to each taste. The next, shake it. Don't be too strong when shake it. Finally, the spring roll snacks ready to serve.